In this video, we will discuss MCQs from 176 to 200, and these MCQs are mostly asked in the past papers of the competitive exams. MCQs number 176: in which year was the Pakistan national movement formally initiated after the Allahabad Address? The answer is 1930. MCQs number 177: who delivered the Allahabad Address in 1930? The answer is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. MCQs number 178: when was the Indian Independence Act passed? The answer is July 1947. MCQs number 179: on which date did the Indian Independence Act receive royal assent? The answer is 18 July 1947. MCQs number 18th July 1947. MCQs number 180: who was the last Governor General of Pakistan? The answer is Iskandar Mirza. MCQs number 181: in which year the 22 constitutional amendment passed? The answer is 2016. MCQs number 182: which article of the 1973 Constitution deals with fundamental rights enforcement? The answer is Article 199. MCQs number 183: what is the total number of fundamental rights in the 1973 Constitution, Part 2, Chapter 1? The answer is 12 rights. MCQs number 184: which province produced the largest quantity of wheat? The answer is Punjab. MCQs number 185: in which year was the Council of Common Interest (CCI) strengthened through constitutional reforms? The answer is 2010. MCQs number 186: what is the total length of Pakistan border with India approximately? The answer is 2912 kilometers. MCQs number 187: which Pakistani city is known as the city of dates? The answer is Khairpur. MCQs number 188: when was the first 5-year plan of Pakistan launched? The answer is 1955. MCQs number 189: who was the first chairman of the Council of Islamic Ideology? The answer is Dr. Khalifa Abdul Hakim. MCQs number 190: which constitutional amendment introduced joint electorate system again in Pakistan? The answer is 17th Amendment. MCQs number 191: what is the name of the largest coal field in Pakistan? The answer is Thar coal field. MCQs number 192: in which year was the Pakistan Steel Mills established? The answer is 1973. MCQs number 193: which river originates from Lake Manasarovar and enters Pakistan? The answer is Indus River. MCQs number 194: when was the 19th constitutional amendment passed? The answer is 2010. MCQs number 195: what is the name of Pakistan's largest thermal power station? The answer is Jamshoro Power Plant. MCQs number 196: which Pakistan city is known as the Paris of Pakistan? The answer is Sialkot. MCQs number 197: in which year the Pakistan become a nuclear power officially? The answer is 1998. MCQs number 198: which article of the Constitution defines the composition of the National Assembly? The answer is Article 51. MCQs number 199: what is the name of Pakistan's first English newspaper? The answer is Dawn newspaper. MCQs number 200, last but not least: when was the 20th constitutional amendment passed? The answer is 2012. In today's video, we have covered 200 MCQs of Pakistan studies. In the next video, inshallah, we will discuss MCQ from 201 to 225. I hope you will like that MCQs and that will be helpful for the preparation of your competitive exams. Thanks for watching.